everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chicken korma. You guys probably have seen I posted a shortened version for this on Instagram and TikTok. If you all love curry chicken, you all are going to love this one. So let's jump straight into this recipe. We're going to start with some chicken thighs already cleaned and washed. You can also use chicken breast, seasoned with salt, complete seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, turmeric powder, and we're just going to give this a quick mix, and then I'll add in some yogurt. You want to use, I'm using Greek yogurt. You can use low fat, just make sure it's plain yogurt, there are no fruits in there because it will change the taste of this. So set that aside and place a pot or skillet on medium heat and add in oil. Before the oil heats up, we're going to add in a piece of cinnamon. In goes some methi or fenugreek seeds, cardamom or elaichi. If you have the black elaichi too, feel free to put about 2 pods in here along with the green pods. In goes 2 cloves. If you like a stronger clove flavor, add 4, and cumin seeds or jeera seeds. We're going to allow these to flavor the oil. In goes a bay leaf. So you're going to leave it on that medium heat. It's going to flavor the oil. Do not let the spices burn. Once the leaf itself starts to discolor slightly, as you'll see here, it's time to go in with some chopped onions. You want to finely chop your onions. We're going to season the onions with a little bit of salt to bring out their natural sweetness. And once they're nice and tender and fragrant, we'll add in some minced garlic. Mix that in. Allow the garlic to cook for about 1 minute. Do not let it burn. You don't want this to taste bitter. When you burn the garlic, it does taste bitter. Now at this point, we're going to add in some garam masala and some coriander powder. Toast that with some bird pepper or green chilies just for about a minute, and then I'll still add in some more turmeric. It smells so fragrant and so delicious already. So here I'm going to go in with the turmeric, and once I add in the turmeric and I mix that in, I'll just let it cook out for another minute. You could have added it in with the garam masala, but I forgot. And once it's nice and toasted, add in the chicken and mix to coat. You want to coat those chicken pieces with those delicious spices. This is not going to take very long to cook, about 12 minutes max, because it is boneless. If you're using bone-in chicken, it will take longer. Of course, bone-in chicken will give you more flavor. So you're going to let all of the natural juices dry out and then add a little water to help this cook to create a sauce. This is going to cook here for about 8 minutes. And once it's almost done, this is what it would look like. It should start sticking to the bottom of your pot. There's still liquid left in there. So the chicken should be fully cooked by now. To finish this, you're going to turn off your stove, and we're going to finish with some coconut cream. Some really rich coconut milk. You don't want the watery or the thin coconut milk. And you're just going to mix that in. And you can finish with some chopped cilantro or coriander. Mix that in, and then it's ready to be served. You want to leave it with some sauce, because if you're serving it with rice or naan, you need something to dip. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it, let me know what you think. thank you all so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.